Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to change input device on Discord mobile app. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, on your mobile device, launch the Discord application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account and get to this interface, now head over to the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now there on your right hand side you will get your profile icon. Tap on that. Again head over to the upper right corner. You will get settings icon. Tap on that. Then that will take you to settings page. Here scroll down a bit and under app settings tap on voice. Now under input you will get input mode option. Tap on that. There you will get different types of input mode as push to talk or voice activity. So tap on push to talk, and there are other options such as auto sensitivity, input sensitivity, and the volume and the soundboard volume. If you want to edit that as well, you can simply edit all of these options as well. And once you're done with that, your input device on Discord mobile will be changed. And that's how you can change input device on Discord mobile application. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.